Ever walk out feeling like $1,000,000 only to realize later your perfect suit makes you look off? Gentlemen, even the most expensive suit can be a disaster if you fall for these hidden style traps. We're diving deep into 9 suit mistakes you might be making and how to avoid them altogether. Master these details and transform your suit game. You'll be oozing confidence and looking sharp every single time. Welcome to Men's Style Hub. Hit that like button and subscribe for more style hacks to elevate your look. Let's get started. Number 1. The problematic sleeve pitch. Have you noticed those unsightly wrinkles that are bunching up on your arms? A poor sleeve pitch means the angle between the sleeve and the jacket body is incorrect. This creates an unprofessional, sloppy appearance. The right sleeve pitch creates a polished look. Sleeves should fall in a straight line from shoulder to wrist. This is the fix. Not all suits are created equal. Finding a suit that fits your body type is crucial. Off-the-rack options might not always work. A custom-made suit is a masterpiece tailored to your unique proportions. Costly custom suits. You can also achieve the ideal fit by taking in or letting out off-the-rack options. Number 2. Shoulder divots. The drop of doom. Our focus now shifts upwards. Everybody hates shoulder divots. You can see these dropping seams. They steal your confidence and replace it with laziness. You should aim for shoulder seams that fit comfortably. A clean, defined line exudes power and authority. A well-tailored shoulder eliminates unwanted bunching or fabric from the sleeves to the body. Number 3. The butt wrinkle. A crease you don't want. The journey doesn't end with the jacket. Pants are equally significant. Our next fashion enemy? The butt wrinkle. This unsightly crease can be caused by a multitude of reasons. Incorrect size, rise, or width. There's an easy way to fix this. A proper fit ensures a smooth, streamlined appearance. Your pants should have a slight break at the ankle, skimming the top of your shoes. This creates a polished, professional look. The rise refers to how high the pants sit on your waist. Mid-rise options are a safe bet for most body types. Number 4. The missing cuff problem. We're going to talk about cuffs. No, not the kind you put on your wrists, but the ones on your shirt sleeves. It's all about a balanced and polished look. Be aware of the overexposed cuffs. An overly long shirt sleeve can overwhelm your suit and make you look tacky. Ideally, your suit jacket sleeve should end just above your wrist bone. The solution to this nasty problem is to aim for a shirt sleeve that reaches the base of your thumb. This creates a clean and proportional silhouette. Number 5. The collar catastrophe. Again, let's look upward. Unfit suits have gaps between their lapels and shirt collars. It looks amateurish and distracts from your presentation. Well-tailored suit jackets should hug your torso comfortably, with lapel flaps flush with your dress shirt collar. This area should not gape or bunch. Make your look stand out with collar stays. Inserts that fit into pockets inside shirt collars. Your collar will remain crisp and upright with their help. Don't forget, this isn't disco. Keep your shirt collar tucked under your jacket lapel. Your outfit can look cheap with flared collars. Number 6. Buttoning blunders. Jacket buttons speak a secret language? Striking the right balance between comfort and style is key. A button jacket looks clean and structured when standing. Unfasten all buttons for ultimate comfort when seated. It's time for buttons. A single-breasted suit could have 1, 2, or 3 buttons. Bottom buttons should always remain undone, unless you're wearing a trendy single-button jacket. Having a third button makes the top one stylish. Leave it open or button it. The second button is mandatory. Fastening is fundamental to the jacket's structure. Double-breasted jackets differ. They usually have more buttons. Result? In a 4 or 6 button jacket, the bottom button can be left unfastened. Double-breasted silhouettes require fastened buttons. Follow these simple buttoning guidelines to make your suit look intentional. Number 7. Color coordination, beyond the basics. Feeling lost in a sea of suit colors? The color wheel is your friend. Visualize harmonious combinations for a polished look. Key points. Darker ties. Always pair a darker tie than your shirt to avoid looking washed out. Monochrome magic. Create a sophisticated look with different shades of the same color. For example, navy suit, light blue shirt, dark blue tie. Analogous harmony. Opt for safe choices with colors next to each other on the wheel. For example, brown suit, green shirt, brown tie. Bold contrast. Make a statement with contrasting colors. For example, green suit, purple shirt, patterned tie. Remember, color coordination can elevate your entire look. Number 8. The tale of tack stitches and brand tags. Sharp suiting demands attention to detail. The following mistake can make even the most expensive suit look cheap. See those white threads on the vents, pockets, and sleeves of your new suit? These are tack stitches. They keep the suit's shape during transport and on the hanger. They're not meant to last. Remove these temporary stitches with a pair of sharp scissors before you wear your new suit. It will reveal the true potential of your suit. Let's talk about those brand tags dangling from the sleeves while we're at it. A well-dressed man should not wear these. Snip off the brand tag with those same sharp scissors. Your presentation is enhanced by this small step. A refined sense of style is demonstrated by paying attention to these seemingly minor details. Number 9. Unveiling the secret weapon. Tailoring 101. Here's a truth many neglect. Off-the-rack perfection is a myth. Unless it's entirely bespoke, your suit likely needs a secret weapon. Tailoring. Think of it like this. A suit is a canvas, and tailoring is the brush that transforms it into a masterpiece. A skilled tailor can sculpt your suit to your body. Achieve that remarkable look where the garment seems to move with you, not against you. Unlock hidden potential. Take an almost fitting suit and transform it into one that hugs your curves flawlessly. 360-degree perfection. A tailor ensures your suit looks impeccable from every angle, addressing details like sleeve length and trouser fit. Remember, a tailored suit isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling confident. Don't settle for almost. Get your suit tailored and witness the magic unfold. Gentlemen, you've conquered the art of the suit. We've embarked on a journey to transform you into a sartorial master. Conquered the color wheel, aced the details, unveiled the power of tailoring. Looking sharp is an investment. Remember, gentlemen, you deserve to feel confident and empowered by your appearance. Ready to elevate your style further? Smash that like button and subscribe to Men's Style Hub for more fashion hacks and style tips.